So hello guys, after the chocolate factory now we are going to Ooty's Botanical Garden. अरे यार बम्बा तुमको ये स्ट्रीट कैसा लग रहा है?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया
और इसकी हवाएं वादियाँ
एकदम मस्त है यार
पोल्यूशन का तो नाम ही नहीं
एकदम fresh and chilled one
Now you can look at the streets. Everything is systematic. I think there is the botanical garden. Yeah. My assumption is not wrong. There's the botanical garden.
Wow, view देखो ना
This is So guys, now I'm inside the botanical garden. Actually, the camera is probably dead here, but I have hidden this camera. So guys, honestly, this park is really very silent. I'm in peace. Except the chirping of birds, you will hear nothing. And the maintenance is somewhat awesome. So guys, this botanical garden is really very big. So it's really very difficult to cover the whole area, but I'll do my best to show you. And if I give my opinion about the Ooty, I think it is the most beautiful place in Tamil Nadu, because Ooty is in Tamil. Ooty is really very beautiful place. The greenery, the flowers, it's really very awesome. So guys, finally I have got one of my friends, and like me, he is too covering the whole botanical park, and we have came almost, I think, 80%, and we don't know where is the end, so we are searching for end. So finally, we have found the end of this botanical garden. Up there, I think it will not visible from this camera, but there's a fence. That's the end of this botanical garden. So guys, finally we have found out the end of this botanical garden and we are going back. कैसा लगा तुमको botanical garden?
बहुत बढ़िया लगा। बहुत बढ़िया।
दिन की हालत खराब।
हाँ। बहुत गाड़ी को ढूंढ के एन को ढूंढ के हालत खराब हो गई।
और तुमको ऊटी कैसा लगा?
बहुत बढ़िया।
गोवा का बाद शायद ये ना बेस्ट है ना?
हाँ। ओह।
So guys, if you are in holiday, you have two places, one Goa and this Ooty. But Goa and Ooty is a bit expensive. House of Flower. You can look at this beautiful. So guys, I have thought I have covered the nook and corner of this botanical garden, but something is left out. So we are heading towards I think it is the house, something like that. So we'll show you there. Ding, ding, ding. That's residential. Oh guys, is the Italian garden.
देख रहे हैं ना? वो ये रास्ता था ना?
Raj Bhavan. So guys, this is the house which we have seen from down there. I think it is a gate. Hello Bhaiji. Restriction है क्या? So guys, it's not the Italian garden. It is the way to Governor's guest house.
Raj Bhavan.
And Raj Bhavan, yeah. And there's restriction in taking photographies, making videographies. So we're going back now. Whew. So let's be down there.